Rochelle and Daisy. Way to go. Janelle's episode, Euromax, that on the inside is Black Label alongside his Dynamic Love. Moving up in between runners, Ideal View. Janelle's episode by about 3 lengths, followed by Euromax in second. Black Label, then on the inside, Dynamic Love, racing on the outside, Ideal View. Rushing up, Super Elegant. And nearing the far turn, Janelle's episode, this time by about 6 lengths. Euromax running in second. Black Label down on the inside. Dynamic Love, Ideal View, Super Elegant, Gold Age, and Farragut's Order. As they race the final corner, Janelle's episode by about 2 lengths. Euromax is running in second on the outside. Black Label, Dynamic Love. Janelle's episode, Euromax on the outside, but still Janelle's episode, Euromax moves up from the outside. It's now the favorite, Euromax, and finally another Jeff Tagulaw Zarate, Euromax, Janelle's episode, Black Label, Dynamic Love, Farragut's Order, and Close, Super Elegant, and Ideal View.